Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rohan. In this video, I'll be discussing about some of the key differences between batch processing and stream processing. So these two are important concept in data engineering. So let's get started. Batch processing is typically done in data warehousing, where we have like enormous amount of data that's getting transformed with hundreds of rules and logics. That's the typical use case for batch processing. And stream processing is primarily used in real-time analytics, such as AI, ML, recommendation engines, or similar to that. Use case will be for stream processing. And batch processing is typically used in an ETL environment where we connect to a particular database and we load the data into data warehouse. Whereas the stream processing will be done using a containers that will constantly looking for data in streaming or a queuing application such as Kafka, Kinesis, or any MQ series type of data, wherein we will be getting a constant stream of data in real time. So containers are typically used to extract data from those sources and load it into our final database or any applications. And batch processing typically is done time based. For example, the loads will be running on 10 p.m. or 5 a.m., etc. So it's defined interval. The loads will be running and loading the data. It can be even hourly or 10 minutes once, but it's not real time in nature. Based on a certain interval, we load our jobs and then keep going, right? Whereas in stream processing, the data is in real time. As soon as the record is created or a data is ingested from the source, that data will be available for consumption and analytics purposes. So that's the typical use case for real-time processing. So there is no fixed interval as such. Whenever there is a source data, this will be picked up and loaded into your target tables or target systems. So the batch processing is typically done on a analytical reporting where we don't need data in real time. That is one criteria, and the other criteria is when the data set is very large and we are doing on hundreds of transformations on top of it. So that's the typical use case for batch processing. Whereas in stream processing is used for real-time analytics, such as fraud analytics, fraud detection, or some fraud monitoring, or health monitoring. That kind of applications will need stream processing. Batch processing is typically consists of limited processing, right? Limited processing, and you will have the lower the cost and lower the management and also the administration. You don't have to worry a lot because your jobs will be running at the most 3 times or 5 times or 10 times in a day of 24 hours, less processing cost and management and administration. Whereas the stream processing requires really high amount of processing, and that thus involves a lot of cost, and thus involves a lot of administration, but it is very super useful for a business use case to achieve. I hope this was helpful and informative. Thank you, and keep learning.